Have USDT sitting in your SafePal wallet and want to move it to Binance? Or maybe you only have your 12-word seed phrase and don't know what to do next? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover your wallet using your seed phrase and safely transfer USDT to your Binance account. Let's move that money. If you don't have access to your SafePal app, here's how to recover it using your 12-word seed phrase. I'll use Trust Wallet for this example. Download Trust Wallet from the official App Store. Open the app and tap Import Wallet. Enter your 12-word seed phrase. Behave today, finger ski upon boy assault summer exhaust beauty stereo over. Choose a secure password and import the wallet. Once it's loaded, your USDT balance should appear. If not, make sure you're viewing the right network. Most USDT is on TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20. Now, check where your USDT is stored. If it's on TRC20, it'll be on the Tron network. If it's ERC20, it'll be on Ethereum. BEP20 means it's on Binance Smart Chain. Tip: the easiest and cheapest is usually TRC20, so try to stick with that when sending. Now hop into Binance, go to Wallet, then Deposit. Search for USDT and pick the same network as the one you saw in your wallet. Copy your Binance USDT deposit address. Make sure the network matches. If your wallet is using TRC20, use TRC20 on Binance. If they don't match, your crypto could be lost forever. Back in your wallet, tap on USDT. Hit send. Paste the Binance address, double-check the network and amount, confirm and send. Send a small test amount first to be 100% sure everything's working before you send the full bag. Let's recap. You recovered your wallet with a seed phrase, found the right network for your USDT, got the Binance deposit address, sent your USDT safely. Just remember, never share your seed phrase and always double-check the network. Simple mistakes can cost real money. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto how-tos, and drop a comment if you've got questions about wallets, seed phrases, or making money moves in Web3.